Welcome to our full guide on how to delete your high school information on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Edit Public Details. Step 4. Next to the Details section, tap on Edit. Step 5. Under the Education section, locate the pencil icon next to your high school. Step 6. Tap on Delete School at the bottom of the screen. Then confirm your decision to remove your high school information. By following these steps, you can easily update and manage the education details displayed on your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to delete your high school on Facebook. Customize your profile by controlling the information shared about your educational background and ensuring your profile reflects the most current and relevant details.